I am Dr. Swarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. What is ANA or anti-nuclear antibodies, and how does it cause infertility or miscarriages? Anti-nuclear antibodies, ANAs, are a type of auto-antibody that targets substances found in the nucleus of the cells. A positive ANA test indicates the presence of these antibodies in the blood. ANAs are associated with autoimmune diseases where the immune system by mistake, attacks the body's own tissues. So, what we need to understand are what are the conditions associated with ANA positivity. First one we'll talk about is SLE, systemic lupus erythematosus. One of the most common conditions associated with positive ANA is SLE. Then is RA, rheumatoid arthritis. It's an autoimmune disorder affecting joints. Then is Sjögren's syndrome, a condition that affects the glands that produce moisture. Then we also have to talk about scleroderma, a group of autoimmune diseases causing hardening and tightening of the skin and connective tissues. Other autoimmune diseases, ANA can also be positive in other autoimmune conditions or even in healthy individuals, particularly older adults. But let's try to understand the mechanism of ANA in autoimmune diseases. Immune system dysfunction is first. The immune system produces antibodies that mistakenly target normal proteins within the cell's nucleus, leading to inflammation and tissue damage. Chronic inflammation caused by this autoimmune reactions can affect multiple organs and systems in the body. There is a connection of ANA positivity and miscarriages. In autoimmune conditions like SLE, chronic inflammation and tissue damage can impact the uterus and placenta, which are critical for maintaining a healthy pregnancy. Inflammatory cytokines and immune complexes can disrupt implantation and growth of the embryo. Then we need to talk about antiphospholipid syndrome as well, which is called as APS. APS is often associated with SLE and is characterized by the presence of antiphospholipid antibodies such as lupus anticoagulant, anticardiolipin antibodies, and anti-beta-2 glycoprotein 1. These antibodies increase the risk of blood clots, which can lead to placental insufficiency, recurrent miscarriages, and other pregnancy complications. Autoimmune diseases associated with positive ANA, particularly APS, can cause blood clots in the placenta, leading to restricted blood flow to the fetus. Thrombosis can result in fetal growth restriction, preterm delivery, or miscarriage as well. Autoimmune antibodies can interfere with the development and function of the placenta, which is essential for nutrient and oxygen exchange between the mother and the fetus. Insufficient placental function can lead to fetal distress and pregnancy loss. Autoimmune diseases can affect endocrine function also, leading to hormonal imbalances that may impact the ability to sustain a pregnancy. Hormonal disruptions on their own can impair the development of endometrial lining and maintenance of early pregnancy. So how do we diagnose and manage this issue? Some ANA tests identify the presence of anti-nuclear antibodies. Tests for specific antibodies like anti-dsDNA, anti-Smith, anti-phospholipid antibodies, etc. pinpoint the exact autoimmune conditions. There are clinical evaluations also, a thorough clinical history and examination to identify signs and symptoms of autoimmune diseases are also possible. Regular monitoring of pregnancy for women with known autoimmune conditions should also be done. Management involves preconception counseling. Women with positive ANA should receive counseling about the potential risks and management strategies before attempting to conceive. A multidisciplinary approach involving rheumatologists, obstetricians, and other specialists is very essential. Some medications are also given, such as immunosuppressive therapies, medications like hydroxychloroquine, corticosteroids, and other immunosuppressive agents to control autoimmune activity are given. Low dose aspirin and heparin may also be prescribed to prevent blood clots in women with APS. These are anticoagulants. Then hormonal support is also suggested. Progesterone supplementation may be considered to support early pregnancy. Regular monitoring of maternal and fetal health, including ultrasounds, blood tests, and assessments of placental function are performed. Close collaboration between obstetricians to adjust treatment plans as needed throughout the pregnancy is definitely required. Stress management should be performed. Balancing your diet, regular exercise is important. Avoiding known triggers and adhering to prescribed treatments is very critical to maintain your health. So positive ANA indicates the presence of anticoagulants associated with various autoimmune diseases, and these can significantly impact fertility and pregnancy outcomes. Inflammation, thrombosis, placental insufficiency, and hormonal imbalances are the key mechanisms through which ANA positive conditions can lead to miscarriages. But proper diagnosis, pre-conception counseling, and a comprehensive management plan involving immunosuppressive therapies, anticoagulants, and close monitoring can definitely help improve pregnancy outcomes for women with positive ANA. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.